just like in a matter of 6 months to 1 year, by the time you are ready to conquer a new job, to sell yourself an interview by having concepts that most people in regular job will never get. We talk about data warehouses, data lakes, edge computing, zero trust networking, um, anything to do with open source cloud native technologies, and we make it cloud agnostic. What's the meaning of cloud agnostic? It means that you can make it work anywhere, whether it's in a Raspberry Pi on your R1 processor, or doesn't matter what architecture, because we use microservices. Microservices pretty much runs in Linux systems, and we can make it work even if you're using a Windows computer too. And you can have the same terminology if you're using. You can in our sandboxes we usually use zero trust architectures that we build. You use a service mesh. You will find about how we can replicate data from an edge computing to another database, maybe a lake house out there. And you, by the time you finish working with us, which will never finish in the first place, by the time you engage with us for a matter of 6 or 1 year, your terminology of how infrastructure works, not just one kind of infrastructure. You can have a company, the company works this way, but another one have different needs, different budgeting, different requirements. But you can have a lot of different ways of connecting and making things to work, making things to things that you want to protect, things that you want to scale. But every requirement for X